In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import a WordPress site to Hostinger step by step. If you already have a WordPress website hosted somewhere else and you want to move it over to Hostinger, the good news is that Hostinger has a built-in migration tool that makes the entire process incredibly simple. You don't need to manually download files, export databases, or deal with complicated technical settings. Hostinger can automatically copy your existing website and move it to your new hosting account. This is perfect if you're switching hosting providers, launching a faster website, or simply consolidating your websites inside Hostinger. I'll walk you through the entire process, from logging into your Hostinger account all the way to starting the migration, so your site gets imported correctly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and WordPress tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Then sign in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside the Hostinger dashboard. From here, you need to navigate to the section where your websites are managed. On the dashboard, click on Websites to see the list of domains connected to your hosting account. Find the domain where you want to import your WordPress site and click Dashboard next to it. This will open the management area for that specific website. Inside this dashboard, you'll see multiple tools and settings for managing your site, including File Manager, databases, domains, and WordPress settings. What we're looking for here is the migration tool that Hostinger provides to automatically move an existing website. In the dashboard, locate and click the option called Migrate Website. Hostinger will now ask you what type of website you want to migrate. Since we're importing a WordPress site, select WordPress from the available options. This tells Hostinger that the system should copy a WordPress installation from another server. After selecting WordPress, you'll see a migration form that asks for a few details about your existing website. This information allows Hostinger to securely connect to your current WordPress installation and transfer all the files and content. First, enter the URL of the existing website that you want to migrate. This should be the full address of your current WordPress site. Next, you'll need to provide the WordPress admin credentials. Enter the WordPress administrator username and password for that site. Hostinger uses these credentials to access the WordPress installation so it can copy the files, themes, plugins, media, and database content. Make sure the login details are correct, otherwise the migration process won't be able to connect to your site. After entering the login credentials, the next step is to choose the Hostinger domain where the website will be imported. If you have multiple domains inside your Hostinger chain, simply select the correct one from the list. This will be the destination where your migrated WordPress site will appear once the process finishes. Take a moment to review the details you entered to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, click the Start Migration button. Hostinger will now begin transferring your WordPress website automatically. The system will copy your files, database, plugins, themes, and content from the old host and import everything into your Hostinger account. Depending on the size of your website, this process can take some time, so be patient while the migration completes. Once the process finishes, your WordPress site will be successfully imported to Hostinger and ready to use. And that's it. That's how to import a WordPress site to Hostinger using the built-in migration tool. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials that make managing websites and online tools much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.